Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on agoraphobia, the fear of open spaces. Agoraphobia is a type of anxiety disorder that affects about 1% of the general population and can have a significant impact on a person's daily life. In this video, we'll be discussing what agoraphobia is, its symptoms, causes, and treatments. What is agoraphobia? Agoraphobia is a type of anxiety disorder in which a person experiences intense fear or panic in open or public spaces or situations where they feel they cannot escape or find help. People with agoraphobia may avoid certain situations, such as shopping centers, public transportation, or crowded places, due to their fear. Symptoms of agoraphobia. People with agoraphobia may experience physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat, sweating, shaking, and difficulty breathing, as well as psychological symptoms such as intense fear, avoidance behavior, and panic attacks. Causes of agoraphobia. The exact cause of agoraphobia is not known, but it is believed to be the result of a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors. Treatments for agoraphobia include cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, medication, and relaxation techniques. In some cases, a combination of treatments may be most effective. Antidepressants, beta blockers, and anti-anxiety medications can help relieve the physical symptoms of panic and reduce the overall level of anxiety. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and visualization can also be helpful in managing anxiety. In conclusion, agoraphobia is a common anxiety disorder that can have a significant impact on a person's daily life. With the right combination of therapies and interventions, however, it can be effectively treated. If you think you may have agoraphobia, it's important to reach out to a mental health professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on mental health and wellness.